How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. I want to show you this sandwich, open face sandwich that I've been having, I'd say about 3 weeks, every weekend now, and I'm obsessed with it. It's very simple, vegetarian, don't need meat to have a beautiful sandwich. It's spicy, it's sweet, fried egg, love a fried egg. So yeah, I can't wait to show you. The ingredients are simple, you've probably got this. I'm using some brioche style bread. I've got some eggs, got some avocado, some Parmesan cheese, got some green onion, some jalapeno, some garlic, some onion, some, use your favorite hot sauce for this, and some pure raw honey. So yeah, that's it. All right, so first what I want to do is roast these jalapenos. So just a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and in the oven. 425, 15 minutes. All right, these are done. Smelling absolutely beautiful. Right, my jalapenos are done, the oven's done, that's all I want to do with the oven. We're gonna make a quick guacamole with the jalapenos, and the great thing about roasting jalapenos, they become more fruity and you can really taste them. The flavor really intensifies and they become less harsh, less spicy, and you can, like I said, you can really appreciate them. Very simple with the avocado. Around, twist. Let's take the big thing out. The big thing out. I mean the bloody stone. Look at the size of this thing. It's like a bird bath. And don't worry, if you haven't got a pestle and mortar, just use a bowl and a fork just to smash it. So now just spoon in the avocado. Get that all in. Then next grab your jalapenos. Don't worry about the seeds, keep the seeds in. And then just give it a chop. So now add the jalapenos to the avocado. It smells amazing, by the way. Beautiful. Garlic. Grate the garlic in. A little touch of lime. This just stops the avocado from browning and it adds flavor. And then just gently smash it. Some Parmesan. Pepper. Give it a stir. And taste. Perfect, beautiful. Right, my guac is done. I want to make my hot sauce honey, my sweet hot sauce. So just use your favorite hot sauce. This is not a recipe. You can add as much as you want. Some honey. And then stir it well. And you just want to bring this up to a light boil for about a minute and it's done. Simple as that. Right, my sauce is done. I'm going to put that onto the side and that'll thicken up even more. Right now, for the egg, I want fried egg, but I want it crispy underneath and runny on top. And a lot of people are afraid of eggs sticking to the pan. Obviously, that's a non-stick pan, but all you have to do is a little bit of olive oil in the pan, give it a rub, and I promise you, your eggs won't stick to the pan if you do that. Forget the egg at the minute. I got to toast my bread. So I forgot my bread. Right, olive oil in the pan. It's nice and hot. And then get the bread in. And then while it's warm, add a bit of garlic around the edges as well. Right, we're nearly done. Eggs cooking nicely, getting nice and crispy around those edges. Let's plate up. First, let's get that guacamole on. Oh. Some green onion. Little green onion on the bottom. I'll take that beautiful egg. Get my honey hot sauce. Drizzle that over the top. Some green onion, some Parmesan cheese, ooh. It's spicy, sweet, tangy. It'll wake you up. Great little breakfast. I decided not to use the onion. I didn't really need it. But yeah, great. The guacamole, the crispy fried egg, the Parmesan cheese, the honey and the hot sauce really go well together. And yeah, it's just a nice little breakfast. And the brioche, nice little rub garlic on there. Yeah, give it a go. Thanks, guys.